August, the 18th of August. Pouring the floor for that barn we started a while back. And I hope everybody that our brother knows is here to help. I think it's going to be a little over 50 yards. And this is the second time this morning. Chris got a new striker. We used to use 8-foot 2x4s all the time. Strike off the pad right there, and you can kind of strike that with 2x4. And it keeps that machine on that to keep the concrete level. Battery operated. Back in the day, they had little Honda motors. Concrete's down. I think it was 55 yards. So the other end's kind of in the sun, but now I'll just be doing the edges and putting the power trowel on it. All the help kind of left. Power trowel is not done. This is what Sunday morning looks like. Trying to beat the rain. Getting a little more of this field tile in behind Brother David's. Brother Rick in the back. We couldn't get anybody to come in with a ditch machine or a trencher even. So Brother Rick dug it with the backhoe. And we're putting gravel around it because it's not in very deep. So hopefully the tractors don't smash it. Put some 6-inch field tile in here. It's been so wet, I couldn't drive to plant this back corner. And getting bigger equipment, and just wasn't worth driving back in that corner to plant it. But dried up here towards the end of August, and we're putting the field tile in, so hopefully it takes care of that. I think it's about 350 feet. And there's where Brother Dave lives. And the road's up that way. 24th of August. Portland gas engine show. I think it's the largest hit and miss engine show in the United States. I've only made 2 trips to the truck so far. Largest gas engine show in the world. My daughter and son-in-law have 3 boys on an organic farm, and we're going to pour some concrete so they can set a freezer in. There's Silas, Lincoln and Silas, and then there's Owen and Silas. 6 September, there's Owen's handprints, Lincoln, Silas, Erica, and Ben. Maybe we should have done it when the concrete was just a little bit softer. This is where the freezer's going to set. Big walk-in freezer. You doing all right, Erica?
Working pretty hard.
Oh, okay. We always have to have a supervisor, but yeah. That's the freezer he's going to have to put together and put on the concrete.
I think one just kind of excels above the rest, and I think this is a perfect place where kids need to get recognition for putting in work at home and knowing where they need to be in the livestock industry. Young lady in the black and white shirt with that blue bear is to win this hands down.
Is that her?
Arms up, I think it gets a notch closer because I think all kids are doing a great job. But this kind of needs to be fixed in some areas. But I think that there's one individual that still has a smile on his face, still keeps good eye contact. I know the kid's kind of starting to give up and left that poor kid home, but he still does a fantastic job.
That was our 6-year-old granddaughter, Boston, won her showmanship at our county fair. And she also got a trophy at the Kitty Tractor Pull. And she was there with her sister, Sawyer. And here's 2 hummingbirds. They usually fight over the hummingbird feeders. But these two seem to getting along pretty good. They're not near as noisy as the hawks. And we got several feeders. We enjoy watching them. Vicki and I at the county fair. And then we took a little trip down to the Gauley River in West Virginia. I'm in the blue on the back, and Vicki's across from me in the green. I'm getting a newer combine, an S660, a 2014 model, but it won't be here until like the end of November. Load my old combine for a trip to Florida. 1999 9610. I had it for 11 years. My new one won't be here until November 18th and thereafter. There goes my old combine heading to Florida. That's looking east. Sky looks pretty weird. Remnants of the hurricane. About done with the beans. Unloading next to the last truck. That's west that way. I was plowing in front of my house. Neighbor called, said there was a fire down the road where I farm. So I went down the road, cut across the field, and took my plow and tractor around the fire while the fire department was putting that out. The neighbor was burning trash, was how that fire started. Been doing okay with harvest. My neighbor is helping me with harvest till my combine gets here.